Hi, are you here for Uber?
Yes.
What's your name?
Caitlin?
Kaylin? Okay.
Are you Mitchell?
No, I'm Dylan. Are you looking for a Mitchell?
No, I think I'm looking for Dylan. I think I just read wrong.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It took you long enough.
Hey, that's my door. So, how are you today?
Did you what?
I said, how are you today?
I was waiting out there for a really long time.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get your seatbelt to work. I think your car is broken.
It's automatic. You just push a button. Just grab that thing.
Are you laughing at me?
No, it's just, sorry, it was funny because it was taking you a while to do it. So how are you today?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
It's like really hot in here. Like it's like a sauna and I'm sweating, so.
Okay, well, I don't have air conditioning. So.
You don't have AC?
No, I'm trying to save up for it. It's
for
like
AC.
It's like $1,000.
And you can drive with Uber without AC.
Well, can you not report it? Because they don't, technically I'm supposed to have it. So
You're not
just,
supposed to have it.
yeah, just don't say anything.
Okay, well, I ordered an Uber X, so.
Well, this is Uber X.
Without AC.
What are you doing back there?
I'm trying to stretch.
You're stretching?
Yes.
Can you not put don't put your shoes, what are you doing?
I'm trying to stretch.
For why?
Because I have a dance gig.
A dance gig?
Yeah, not everyone drives for Uber.
What is that supposed to mean?
I mean, do you do something else with your life?
This isn't my real job. I just do this for side money.
That's what everybody says. This isn't my real job.
Okay, well, it's all about the journey. Okay?
I'm sure you'll get there one day.
Well, I'm a garbage truck driver too, so.
Great.
But that's just my side job.
Do you have an outlet?
For what?
I'm trying to.
Your hair
straighten my
straightener?
hair.
Okay,
Yeah.
no, I don't have it out. Are you serious?
You're kind of a brat. Are you literally laughing at me again?
Okay, you're the first person to ever try to straighten your hair in my
Well,
car.
obviously I'm the first one that's a professional dancer. Now, do you have an outlet? Yes or no?
No.
So you don't have
I don't
AC,
know.
you don't have an outlet.
There's like an outlet. I mean, it's not like a normal outlet, but it's like a car outlet.
I'm just trying to do it without heat. I mean, it's hot enough in this car.
Well, you said it was already hot. Maybe just, I don't know.
This is not gonna work.
Here, I have an idea.
Well, does my hair look good?
Yeah, it looks fine.
You could have just said I'm ugly.
I said it looks fine.
Yeah, but I know what you were thinking.
What was I thinking?
You were thinking I'm ugly. You don't even know how long I got ready today for this. And you're trying to tell me that I'm ugly?
Well, you probably got ready for like 10 minutes, right?
10 minutes? Literally, this took me an hour.
An hour?
An hour.
For
maybe
what?
2.
To put on a tank top?
You know what? It's not easy to be cute. It's not easy to not drive for Uber.
It's easy to not drive.
Some people have to look good for real jobs.
You think this job is easy?
You just drive.
I have to put up with people like you all day. You are not eating in here.
I'm not eating.
I have a no food policy in here. Can you put that away?
I'm not eating.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay, what are you even eating? What are those, gluten-free animal crackers? No, I just got my car detailed.
Your car doesn't even have AC. It won't matter.
Okay, well, someone just threw up in it last night. That's why it freaking smells in here. It wasn't me, okay? Can you please?
Can you
I have a
count?
headache. I have a
1,
headache.
2,
What?
3, 4,
You want me to count?
5, 6, 7, 8. It's literally just easy. Just count to 8. Can you do that?
Okay.
Uber driver.
Well, will you give me a
1,
tip at least?
2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8. 1, 2,
and 3, and 4.
Can you?
and 5,
Why are you
6,
dancing
7,
in my
8.
car?
I have to practice this. Can you just 8, 1, 2, 3, 4,
No.
5. Come on, just keep a beat.
Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, this is really tight.
5,
6, 7, 8.
Turn right here. Turn right.
It's literally a dead end. Where are you taking me?
No.
Is that your house?
No.
Did you
I'm
put in the
going to a
wrong
dance gig. No.
Did you put in the wrong destination?
You're driving the wrong way.
I'm not getting paid for this.
You're driving the wrong way.
You need to change this in your app right now.
It's not my fault you don't know how to drive.
What do you mean? You put in the
Oh
destination.
my goodness, they clearly need.
The road is closed.
Their Ubers.
I'm wasting gas. You know I get 12 miles to the gallon. Golly.
I'm gonna be late. Can you drive faster?
Gee willikers, I'm trying.
Come on, step on the gas.
I'm trying.
Step on the gas, sir.
I'm
I
gonna
ain't paying
hit
you unless
this
you
truck.
step on the gas.
Okay, I'm gonna hit this guy.
It is like freezing in here now. Are you trying to literally turn me into a snowman? It's so cold in here.
I don't even have AC. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm freezing.
Well, maybe if you wore more clothes.
Oh, so now you're trying to, you know, think I'm a hoe? Is that what you're trying to say?
Okay, can you at least tell me where we're going? Because I'm literally just driving in circles. Can you please not eat, please?
I'm just driving.
Okay, well, I don't know what to say.
Are you hitting on me? Are you literally hitting on me?
Are you serious?
My eyes are up here. My eyes are up here.
Okay,
I see you in the mirror.
What do you want me to do?
Eyes on the road. Eyes on the.
I'm
Are
looking.
you literally looking at me?
No. Well, when you were talking to me, yeah, I was glancing at you. Okay, I wasn't hitting on you. I promise.
This
Do
has
not,
been
please.
reported in.
No, please don't report me. I have a final warning.
I can see why.
Why? What do you? Okay, can you not cough on me? Ew, that's gross.
I'm joking on a cry.
Are you serious? Are you okay?
Yes. Keep driving. I literally said step on the gas.
Okay, well you're choking.
I just had a little tickle in my throat.
Okay, well.
I also had whipping cough like 2 days ago.
Are you serious? You just coughed all over my car. I'm gonna get sick. I have to work for the next.
Driving. Come on.
I have to work for 12 hours straight today just so I can pay my car payment.
And you just do this for fun. It's just a side job.
Okay, well I lied. Okay, this is my main job. Okay, whatever. There's the truth. Okay, at least tip me for honesty. All I needed $5 tip. That's literally nothing.
Do these windows roll down?
Yeah.
Can you roll down your window up there? I'm hot. Roll it down.
No.
Roll it down.
I don't want to.
Can you roll down your window up there?
What?
I'm
My
paying
windshield?
You. Will you roll it down?
Which one?
Both of them. Roll it down.
Are you serious?
Yes. Sometimes it looks like. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm in a car set.
Why are you like spreading your wings?
You're driving too fast.
You just said step on it.
Over.
You just said step on it.
Oh my gosh, you trying to kill me.
Stop! Someone's gonna like come outside. Calm yourself. You were the craziest passenger I've ever had in my life. You're getting
You're the craziest driver I've ever had in my life.
You tell me to step on it. You tell me to roll down the window.
Okay, I'm literally freezing. Can you roll these up?
Wow.
Both of them, all four of them. Come on.
You can do it back there.
Oh my god.
Well, now your hair's ruined, so there you go.
Your car literally ruined my hair. Can you tilt your mirror towards me just a little bit?
Can I touch my mirror towards you?
Yeah, just tilt it. Will you tilt it towards me?
No,
so
I
can see?
literally need that for driving. I can't.
No, you don't. Will you tilt it? I do it all the time. Just tilt it, just a little bit. Tilt it towards me. Yeah, up more. Up more. Thank you.
Okay, now I literally can't even see. So
Now you can stop checking me out.
I was never checking you out. Just because someone looks at you doesn't mean they're Well, can't say that word.
You're literally hitting on me, and it's like not cool. You're literally hitting on me.
I'm not literally.
That's disgusting.
If I was literally hitting on you, I would have asked for your number or something.
You are seriously hitting on me.
Well, I don't know what to say, so. Did you just cancel the ride?
What?
You just canceled the ride.
Oh, my phone must have like lost service or something.
No, you just canceled the ride.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Okay, I need to.
What do you mean?
You need to get out of my car right now.
No, we're like 20
We're not doing.
minutes. No, I'm gonna be late.
I don't care.
It's on my phone. My phone lost service.
I'm gonna.
Like it's not my fault.
Okay, I'm gonna.
My
take
phone
you to,
literally lost service. No, just keep going.
That's not how it works.
We're so close.
It doesn't.
We're so close.
It doesn't cancel the ride.
Just keep
We're
driving.
not close at all. We have
Will
20
you
more
just keep
minutes.
Driving?
No. I don't do this for free. This is not charity service.
Michael, will you keep driving?
My name's not Michael. My name's not Mitchell. My name's not Matthew. My name's Dylan, okay? I'm a real human being. I'm a human being, okay?
There's a stop sign. Stop!
It's literally a... Okay.
Oh, go slow.
I'll try.
Go slow now.
I'll try.
Turn right.
That's a driveway.
Oh.
What are you, like...
You laughing at me? You think this is funny?
No, I'm literally going to kick you out of my car. The ride is over.
The ride is not over. I'm not to my destination. This is not what I paid for.
It is...
This is not what I was going to pay for.
Okay,
So
well, you canceled the ride.
I did not cancel the ride.
What did you do then?
My phone glitched.
That's not how the app works.
My phone totally glitched.
It doesn't work like that.
It's glitching.
It's glitching?
A glitch. Hello.
I don't know why he was waving at us, but okay. Okay, where do you want to get dropped off? Because I need to drop you off.
At my destination.
There's a
You're literally going to make me walk on the street in heels.
There's a gas station right here.
You literally, no, that's not a gas, that's not the kind of gas station I go to.
Well...
I'm meaning my standard of gas station.
Well, you're going to order a new ride then.
Who are you?
You want to reorder me as a ride?
Hello?
Okay, I'm going to drop you off, lady.
There's no way.
Can you be quiet? Okay.
What?
Frick, this road's closed.
What? No. No, I don't want to.
I hate my job. I'm quitting today. I'm literally quitting. You're making me quit.
She retired? What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to get my eyebrows done?
You are crazy, lady.
She's the only one that did it right. The shape is gonna be off. The shape is gonna totally be off.
First world problems, jeez.
Well, I'm done with this. I'm done with this. No, this is all your fault.
Is this a road up here? I need to drop you off.
Whatever, goodbye.
Alright, lady. You gotta get out.
This is not my destination.
I don't care. You cancel the ride.
I'm not getting out.
Have a great day.
No!
Yes.
No!
You're touching me.
No, you're touching me. I'm calling Uber services.
Uber services?
Hey Siri.
That doesn't,
Hey Siri,
that's
what's
not a
Uber
thing.
services
That's
number?
not a thing. Can you please get out? I have to work today. I have to make money.
You're literally...
Get out of my car.
You're distracting my Uber.
Get out of my car.
My Siri, I mean. Hey Siri.
No, Siri, no.
Hey, Siri.
No, Siri. No,
Uber
no,
services
no,
number.
no.
Hey Siri.
Can you
Uber
get...
services
No.
number. Hey,
Can you get out of my car?
Uber services number.
Get out. I'm going to call the cops right now. Get out. You're in my car against my will. And take your stupid animal cracker gluten-free crackers with you too. Do not mess up my car and your...
I didn't want to take this Uber anyways.
5 stars, please. Thank you. Bye. You didn't even shut my door. She didn't even shut my freaking door. You didn't shut the door.